Koro ojiwo dwaro maneno ni jopur mag Afrika otiyo kod mbolea e pidho cham.
Riwruok ma kelo kanyakla jokanyo e sekta mar loso kod tiyo gi mbolea miluongo ni International Fertilizer Development Center manatama adek kende ma oyangore mag jopur matiyo kod mbolea e pinje Afrika gino mamiyo yuto margi pod ok ber. Nonrono bende oyangi e romo mane sidhi ayanga chenro mar mbui ma biro ting'o weche malose weche mag mbolea mar africafertilizer.org.
We're still at about 3% of the global average, with various authorities pointing at about 18 kgs per hectare being used by our farmers in Africa, as compared to the global average of around 120 kilograms per hectare. So I think a lot needs to be done. We need to have very candid conversations. We need to provide data to sort of act as a compass in guiding how then consumption in Africa can be ramped up, and also to guide policy and business decisions.
Information has become a significant factor of production, in addition to the known factors of production, which is normally land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Now we are adding information as an additional factor of production, because if you don't have it, then your productivity will not be high. However, the information has to be factual, accurate, reliable, and timely to facilitate forecasting, decision making in regard to the policy and undertaking of the transaction by the stakeholders.